Hi guys, my name is Leni Nurmasitah from the Public Health Study Program, Faculty of Medicine, Lambung Mangkurat University. Currently, we are facing the COVID-19 pandemic. So here I will talk about the role of youth in preventing COVID-19. What is COVID-19? Coronavirus disease, or known as COVID-19, is a type of virus that attacks the human respiratory organs and is an infectious disease. Most people who are infected will experience mild symptoms and even death. The number of victims of COVID-19 is increasing day by day because the initial symptoms of COVID-19 are similar to the common cold. So many people underestimate this disease. The surge in the number of victims affected by COVID-19 has made various countries implement various policies to reduce the number of positive victims of the coronavirus. In Indonesia, this virus has started to spread since March 2020. COVID-19 infection can spread in many ways and with various symptoms such as fever, dizziness, dry cough, and sore throat. In a situation like this, can teenagers play a role in preventing COVID-19? Of course, teenagers have a role in a situation like this. Youth is an important asset for this nation and country. Teenagers must be able to play a role as potential research that can support the government's performance in overcoming the impact of the pandemic. Teenagers can prevent COVID-19 by participating in breaking the chain of the spread of COVID-19 by complying with existing health protocols, such as washing hands properly and using soap, using masks when outside the house, keeping a distance in crowds, not going out to hang out, or going out for things that are not too important. We can also raise awareness of the importance of staying at home during this pandemic to protect family members who are vulnerable to being infected with the COVID-19 virus. In addition, teenagers must also have high concern in handling the spread of COVID-19, including by volunteering distributing assistance to people in need as a result of being affected by this pandemic, and also being able to disseminate COVID-19 prevention both offline and online. Through the sophistication of today's technology, it allows us to innovate using technology to share goodness with anyone and anywhere. We can invite others to comply with health protocols through social media without meeting in person. Now, from what I have explained above, we can conclude that tackling the COVID-19 pandemic is not only carried out by the government. The role of the community to maintain distance and stay at home is also a determinant of success in ending COVID-19 in Indonesia. In the home environment, the role of the family is a supporting factor in dealing with the current pandemic situation. The group of teenagers is known as a group that quickly undergoes very significant changes, both physically and mentally. That is what makes the group of teenagers called a unique group. During this COVID-19 pandemic, young people are also going through a difficult time. They must be able to control their emotion in dealing with situations like this. Otherwise, those who are emotionally unstable will certainly experience a period of greater stress. Teenagers who feel safe and comfortable at home will further reduce the risk of spreading COVID-19 to themselves and their families. It is important to have the awareness to stay at home during this pandemic so that our family members who are vulnerable to being infected with the COVID-19 virus can be protected. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Thank you and